Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have a verified account and explicit beta access. This unlocks the app. Once done, install or update the Grok beta from the authorized source and accept terms. Make sure to grant microphone, storage, and notification permissions when prompted. They let Grok analyze input and send alerts. If a prompt is missed, open settings and enable permissions manually. This step gets you into the app and allows the core features to function correctly. You will complete sign-in using the email associated with your beta invite so data syncs properly. Once authenticated, the app guides you through profile and preference settings. Choose language, content filters, and privacy options to shape responses. Then run the onboarding tour to set default behaviors like voice activation and response length. This saves time later. If you want different defaults later, go to settings and tweak them. These steps tailor Grok to your needs and improve. You finish by testing Grok with a concise query to verify response quality and latency. If you notice lag or missing features, force close and restart the app. Often that clears temporary issues. Make sure your network is stable, permissions remain enabled, and the app is up to date. These factors cause most failures. If problems persist, toggle permissions off and on or reinstall the beta. One key tip: restart your device before reinstalling to clear cached conflicts and retry cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.